Camp 2013 was a 4-week intensive training program for 15 top Nigerian students or early-stage software developers, with focus on mobile application design and development. This 4-week training program was provided and hosted for free by ccHub Nigeria.
ccHub, as you know, is really focused on looking at how technology can be leveraged to leapfrog development in Nigeria. And by that we mean, how can we use technology to change the way things are done in our society, to improve life in our society, but also to help businesses do business better. So how can businesses use technology to improve on their processes, or how can we come up with new technology products that can actually change the way things are done from probably a society point of view or from within a business organization point of view. We checked internally to see what we could do to improve the quality of graduates, computer science graduates coming out of Nigerian universities, without necessarily sending them through a long course. And we thought, how about if we do a 4-week intensive residential training program, get the best set of software developers in town, not necessarily trainers, but get them to be able to come and feel free and look for interesting ways to transfer their knowledge to these new young aspiring software developers just probably coming out of university or still in university, but have keen interest in becoming a good mobile application developer.
Camp 2013 equipped its participants with essential skills required to work with Africa's rapidly evolving mobile technology.
I'm Malabi Kende, a graduate of University of Ilorin. I was so happy when I got to know about this very wonderful opportunity to learn mobile application development from a friend of mine. I took it as a very serious and a very tangible opportunity, so I applied, and on applying I was fortunate to be one of the 15 lucky Nigeria to participate in this wonderful training session. I've been a web developer before now, so coming here it was just an opportunity for me to translate all of my web applications into mobile applications, and it was also an opportunity to learn some new languages like Java programming basically, and the usage of Angular, JS and all of those, and getting to know more about HTML5, though I worked with HTML before. HTML, CSS and all of those ones, I worked with them before, but I had opportunity to learn more and to get better insight into the whole language.
My name is Ajekola Ayolua, a fresh graduate from UNAB, Applegazer. I had a code camp through a Facebook group page. It was posted there through a friend, and I applied, went through the series of tests, and then I was able to make it here. Well, since it was free, I saw it as an opportunity to come down, learn more, and at least be able to exploit other areas, that's mobile applications. Well, basically, I've been able to learn some new things, HTML5, CSS3 here, and I've been able to apply it on some projects I'm working on. So far, it has been helpful. Code Camp has really been a blessing.
My name is Sonobola Olawale Moses, a 200-level student of Olufemi University, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I got to know about Code Camp 2013 back in school. I applied, and we had the screening process. It was actually in 2 phases. The first one was online, then the second one we had to come here to have a physical test, of which I was selected. And so far it's been good, it's been great. We've learned so many things. I've learned how to build apps on different platforms, cross-platform. I've learned J2ME using Luit, via Luit, and it's been great. HTML5, the classes have been great, and it's been wonderful.
Code Camp was an intensive residential program. All students were fully accommodated at Skyfield, with breakfast, lunch and dinner provided, all at zero cost to the participants. All the training sessions were hands-on and facilitated by industry professionals.
My name is Udeze. I'm a user interface, user experience designer and developer. As a facilitator, this experience was great, and it's one of those rare opportunities you have to share your knowledge that you've acquired over the years of practicing as a professional in industry, and sharing that experience with people, and not just in sharing it, but telling your own story and how you got to where you are, and the other routes and the various routes that you took to where you currently are and how you want to move forward.
Hi everyone, my name is Shagun Fodeke. I am known as Dr. Fox. I'm a software developer and I create apps for people and companies as well. Over the past few days I've had a chance to talk to and train some young hearts in the Code Camp event which held at ccHub. It's been a wonderful experience, I've loved it. It's been splendid to find out how inquisitive and curious these minds are. They've been very, very, very brave and very, very inquisitive in the progress of creating apps that Nigerians are eventually going to use. I'm looking forward to see apps that will reach millions of users downloaded and wonderful things that will come out of this. This has been a very, very interesting experience. I hope to get to train a couple more young hearts in the future.
Hi, my name is Femmy-D. I'm the co-founder of INITS Limited. I am also the Google Developer Group Manager for Lagos State. I'm a software developer, and over the last couple of days I've spent time with the Code Camp students, and it's been an interesting period where we learned about building cross-platform applications. It's been an interesting experience, and over the next couple of days we're going to see some wonderful ideas come to life from this team.
My name is Shola Jai. I'm an instructor for Code Camp. I'm a software developer by profession. I develop web and mobile applications. So my session was basically HTML5 and app development. And for me, I think the final day of my session was actually the most interesting bit. The reason why was that after 4 days of teaching them how to use different technologies, I decided to use the final day to allow them to actually take the technologies that we know has been taught, and use it to develop the applications.
The participants were granted an invitation to a special session with the Tony Elumelu Foundation and the Minister of Communication and Information Technology. Participants were divided into teams to build app solutions for real-world challenges in the education, health, agriculture, disaster management, financial services and governance sectors of the economy.